Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. With this video, you will get to know about the Tier 1 MBA colleges in India. Coming to the very first college is Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. So Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, it was established in the year 1961 and it is located in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. It is the topmost business school in the India, and in terms of placement, this is considered as the best college. So if we consider the alumni network, then the alumni network of the IIM Ahmedabad is very strong. So it is also known as the WIMV, that is Well-Known Institute for Management in India. IIM Ahmedabad programs are also ranked highly in several international rankings. In 2008, IIM Ahmedabad became the first management school to be awarded by European Quality Improvement System, that is EQUIS, accreditation by the EFMD, that is European Foundation for Management Development. IIM Ahmedabad offers a various management program and also offers executive MBA program. The fees for the 2 years of MBA or PGDM program with this college is nearly up to 25 lakhs. And if we consider the average salary package offered with this college, then it is nearly up to 34.36 lakhs per annum. And the highest salary package offered with this college is 1.15 crore. If your CAT score is in between 99 to 100 percentile with a good profile, then this is the one college you can target with. Now coming to the second college is Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. IIM Bangalore is the second topmost business school in India. Especially if you want to complete the MBA in the consulting, then this is the best college to consider with. यहाँ पे जो भी consulting के जो भी recruitment है, almost all the companies are over there in the campus for the recruitment. So this is one of the best college for the consulting. Even if you want to complete your MBA in the marketing, finance, HR, then this is one of the best option you can consider with. So if your CAT score is in between 99 to 100 percentile with a good profile, then this is the one option you can target with. The Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore is one of the leading B school in Asia also. Being a Tier 1 MBA college in India, the institution is renowned academic institution fostering excellence in management, innovation and entrepreneurship. The IIMB offers you various programs like MBA programs and PhD programs. If we consider the fee structure for the IIM Bangalore, then for 2 years of MBA or PGDM program, the fees is nearly up to 24.50 lakhs. The average placement salary offered with this college is 33.80 lakhs per annum, and the highest placement salary offered with this college is nearly up to 1.15 crore. Next college is Indian Institute of Management, Kolkata. So this college is located in West Bengal, Kolkata, and it was established in the year 1961. So it is the third topmost business school in the India. Especially if you want to complete your MBA in the finance, then this is the best option you can consider with. यहाँ पे जो आपका वेटेज रहेगा वो मैक्सिमम वेटेज जो रहेगा that is given to your CAT percentile. So if your academic score is not that much good, but if you have a CAT percentile more than 99 percentile in the CAT examination, then this is one of the good option you can consider with. If we consider the IIM Ahmedabad and IIM Bangalore, then वहाँ पे जो आपका academic का वेटेज रहेगा वो मैक्सिमम रहेगा as compared to the IIM Kolkata. So this is the best option. अगर आपका academic अभी तक का अच्छा नहीं है, but if you have a good CAT score, then this is the best option you have to target with. IIM Kolkata was the first national institution by the Government of India with a postgraduate and research program. Over the years, IIM Kolkata has become one of the top colleges in Tier 1 MBA colleges in India and one of the finest B school in the Asia. If we consider the fees for the 2 years of MBA or PGDM program with this college, then it is nearly up to 27 lakhs. The average salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 35.07 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package offered with this college is 1.15 crore. Next college is Indian Institute of Management, Lucknow. So IIM Lucknow is another good option you can consider with if your CAT score is above 95 percentile. So this college is established in the year 1984. The Ministry of Human Resource Development has recognized IIM Lucknow as an institution of excellence. IIM Lucknow serves as the mentor institution for IIM Rohtak, IIM Jammu and IIM Kashipur. In addition, IIM Lucknow has ties up with other 24 leading B schools for student exchange programs across the world. If we consider the fee structure for the 2 years of MBA or PGDM program with IIM Lucknow, then it is nearly up to 14.30 lakhs. The average salary package offered with this college is 32.23 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 1 crore. Next college is Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode. So if we consider the IIM Kozhikode, then it has a beautiful campus which is located in Kozhikode, Kerala. The established year for the IIM Kozhikode is nearly up to 1996. If we consider the establishment year for the IIM Kozhikode, then it is very late as compared to the IIM ABC. But still IIM Kozhikode is one of the top business school in India, which comes under the top 10 business school in India. And it is really doing good. It is the new IIM, still the placements and everything is good in this college. IIM Kozhikode is one of the most efficient institutions in the country, which knows how to keep the balance sheet green and keep all the stakeholders happy. IIM Kozhikode is also one of the few centers for development of digital libraries globally and is a country leader. The institute has a strong international exchange program for the students and faculty with several leading management institutes in Europe and ASEAN. If we consider the fee structure for the IIM Kozhikode, then the fees for the 2 years of MBA or PGDM program is nearly up to 20.50 lakhs. The average salary package offered with this college is 31.02 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 67.02 lakhs per annum. If you have scored above 96 percentile in the CAT examination with the good profile, then this is one of the best IIM college you can consider with. Next college is Indian Institute of Management, Indore. So this is also one of the good business school you can consider with if your CAT score is above 95 percentile. So this college was established in the year 1996. It is also considered as a new IIM. The IIM Indore was established as institutions of excellence. The institutions are recognized as a premier management institutions in the world. IIM Indore aims for world-class academic standards that develop socially conscious managers, leaders and entrepreneurs. If we consider the fees for the 2 years of MBA or PGDM program with this college, then it is nearly up to 75,000 rupees. The average salary package offered with this college is 30.21 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 1.14 crore. Next college is IIM Mumbai, which is earlier known as a NITI, National Institute for Training in Industrial Engineering. So if you particularly want to complete your MBA in the operations management, then this is the one of the best option you can consider with. If your CAT percentile is above 96 percentile, then you can target with this college. The most important thing about this college is there are more than 20% candidates who got the average salary package of 40 lakhs per annum, and there are more than 40% of the candidates who got the average salary package up to rupees 32 lakhs per annum. So there are many candidates who want to complete their MBA in operations management, so they leave the top IIMs for the NITI. And it is the 21st IIM in the India, that is the newest IIM, but it is one of the good college to consider with in terms of the operations. So it is one of the top business school in India, which comes under the top 10 business school. The fee structure for the 2 years of MBA program with IIM Mumbai is nearly up to 14 lakhs. The average salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 25 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 50 lakhs per annum. Coming to the next college is ISB Hyderabad, that is Indian School of Business. So it is one of the top business school in India, which comes under the top 10 B schools in India. So it accepts the score of the GMAT for their admission process. So this college offers you the 1 year of MBA program. Especially if you are looking to complete your MBA in the 1 year, then this is the best college to consider with. Especially यहाँ पे जो 100% जो भी सीट्स होती है, उनमें से 70% जो सीट्स होती है, those are the candidates from the consulting. So if you want to complete your MBA in the consulting, then this is one of the best option to consider with. And in terms of placements also, यहाँ पे जो consulting की placements होती है, that is 100%. जो भी कंपनीज होती है कंसल्टिंग की, ऑलमोस्ट जो भी इंडिया में जो भी टॉप रिक्रूटर्स है, वो सभी ये कैंपस में आते हैं. सो कंसल्टिंग के जो रोल्स होते हैं, जॉब रोल्स होते हैं इस कॉलेज में, वो काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं. एंड सेम विद द लीडरशिप ऑल्सो. अगर आपको MBA लीडरशिप में भी करना है, सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द गुड ऑप्शन यू कैन कंसिडर विद. इफ़ वी कंसिडर द ROI, रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, then in terms of return of investment we cannot consider this college because the fee structure of this college is quite higher. But at the same time if we consider the duration of the program, then यहाँ पे आपको जो 2 साल का MBA है वो आप 1 ईयर में ही कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. So that is the reason IIM में जो आपकी फीस होती है, it is nearly up to 24 to 25 lakhs for the 2 years of MBA program. But at the ISB, your fee structure will be nearly up to 41 lakhs. But you have the chance that you can complete your MBA in just 1 year, and after 1 year you can earn whatever the money you have invested. So return of investment जो है ये कॉलेज का, it is calculated in a wrong way. If we consider it for the 1 year, initial investment जो है वो ज़्यादा है, but if we consider the like आप 1 साल में ही जो मैक्सिमम अपना सैलरी है वो ले सकते हो आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ योर MBA. So the fees for the MBA program with this college is nearly up to 41 lakhs. The average placement salary offered with this college is 34 lakhs per annum, and the highest placement salary offered with this college is nearly up to 66 lakhs per annum. Coming to the next college is Accelerate Jamshedpur. So Accelerate Jamshedpur is one of the good business school in India, which comes under the top 10 business schools in India. सो इफ़ यू आर समवन कि आपका अभी तक का एकेडमिक का जो स्कोर है दैट इज़ नॉट गुड, बट इफ़ यू वांट टू कंप्लीट योर MBA फ्रॉम द Tier 1 बिजनेस स्कूल इन इंडिया, सो दिस इज द वन कॉलेज यू कैन कंसिडर विद. लाइक इफ यू कंसिडर द CAT एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन, देन द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर द CAT इज यू नीड टू रिक्वायर 50% मार्क्स इन योर ग्रेजुएशन. बट अगर आपके 50% मार्क्स ग्रेजुएशन में नहीं है एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू कंप्लीट योर MBA फ्रॉम द Tier 1 बिजनेस स्कूल, देन यू कैन कंसिडर द ZAT एग्जामिनेशन, बिकॉज इसके लिए कुछ भी क्राइटेरिया नहीं है like 50%, and with the help of the ZAT entrance examination you can take the admission in the Accelerate Jamshedpur. So this is one of the good option you can consider with, and especially Accelerate Jamshedpur and Accelerate Delhi, ये जो दोनों colleges हैं इनका placement जो है वो एक ही campus में होता है. So if you want to give the ZAT entrance examination you can consider this both colleges. The fees for the 2 years of MBA or PGDM program with this college is nearly up to 13 lakhs. The average salary package offered with this college is 35 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 45 lakhs per annum. Next college is IIT Delhi. So IIT Delhi is considered as the top college for the engineering, and same with the MBA also. Especially if you want to complete your MBA in the sales and marketing or consulting, then this is one of the good option you can consider with. अगर आपके CAT के percentile 95 percentile से above है, so you can target with this college. Especially अगर आपका background engineering से है, and if you are looking the job role related to the engineering only, then this is one of the good option you can consider for the MBA. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो कंपनीज आती है प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए, वो जो भी जॉब रोल आपको प्रोवाइड करती है दोज आर रिलेटेड टू द इंजीनियरिंग सेक्टर. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द गुड ऑप्शन you can consider with. The fee structure for the IIT Delhi is nearly up to 14 lakhs. The average salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 22 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 37 lakhs per annum. Coming to the next college is IIT Bombay, which is also known as an SJM from Bombay, that is Shailesh J. Mehta School of Management. So if your CAT's percentile is above 96 percentile, then this is the best college you can target with. The fee structure for this college is nearly up to 10 lakhs rupees. The average salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 26 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 50 lakhs per annum. So this is the list of the top Tier 1 MBA colleges in India. अगर आपका CAT का स्कोर 96 और 97 percentile के above है, so these are all the colleges you can target with. In between, if you have any questions related to this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.